Imagine waking up one morning to find that the entire world is without electricity. What would happen? Hospitals, communication systems, factories, everything would come to a standstill. Electricity hasn't just changed human civilization, it has ushered in an entirely new era. Today, we will explore how electricity has transformed our lives and shaped modern civilization. The history of electricity dates back to ancient Greek civilization, when Thales of Miletus discovered that amber, when rubbed, could attract light objects, hinting at static electricity. However, it wasn't until 1752 that Benjamin Franklin's famous kite experiment laid the foundation for scientific studies on electricity. Later, Thomas Edison revolutionized the world by making electricity usable in everyday life with his invention of the electric light bulb. In the 19th century, electricity freed human life from the limitations of darkness. Electric lights extended working hours and gave birth to the concept of a nighttime economy in cities, where streets and workplaces could remain active after sunset. Electricity fueled the Industrial Revolution by powering machines, exponentially increasing production capacity in factories. It also became the backbone of modern transportation and communication systems, enabling progress at an unprecedented pace. Modern healthcare is unimaginable without electricity. From X-ray machines to CT scans and life support systems, electricity plays a crucial role in diagnosing and saving lives. Electricity's influence isn't limited to grand industries. It's deeply woven into our daily lives. From ceiling fans and refrigerators to televisions and the internet, nearly every aspect of home life depends on it. But here's a question. What would our future look like without electricity? If one day electricity disappears completely, how would we cope? The journey and impact of electricity on humanity are nothing short of incredible. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Stay with us to keep exploring the fascinating stories of science and innovation.